I'm Grant with MarineMax in Jacksonville Beach, and this is Grady-White's 307 Freedom. This is a 2019 model. I'm going to start at the stern of this boat. This is a great all-purpose boat. It's a fishing boat, but it's a cruise-around boat. You've got, back in the back here, you've got a fish box, or if you're not fishing, it's a great cooler. It's got about that much foam insulation wrapped around that, so this holds ice really well. On this side right here, you've got your live well, blue interior, rounded corners, keep your bait alive, keeps your bait calm so it lasts longer throughout the day. This is powered with twin 300 Yamaha 4-strokes. Anybody that knows anything about outboard motors know that these are a great package, super reliable, very fuel efficient. One thing that you'll notice on a Grady-White when you step on board, this boarding door back here is how heavy duty they are. Look at the size of the hinges. The thickness of this fiberglass. This is a 2-inch thick piece of fiberglass with huge hinges, extremely sturdy. I'm 210 pounds. I didn't even budge those hinges. Look at what our competitors put on their boats. Freshwater shower right here as soon as you step on board, so you can rinse yourself off if you're all salty. Right down here is a boarding step, so if you're pulled up starboard side of the dock, look how easy they make it to get on and off the boat. If you've got a rough knee like I do, that makes all the difference in the world for getting on and off the boat. Again, staying on the starboard side, we've got the grill. We've got a freshwater sink. Going over to the port side, this is an electrically actuated lounge seat. So this seat comes out, with a push of a button, it extends out and actually meets up with this back seat, so that you've got an L-shaped seating back here, which is great for entertaining, just opens up more seating in the boat. You also have a remote for the stereo, so whoever's sitting here doesn't have to go up to the dash to change the stereo. Double wide port side seat, so two people can get here. Nice fold away footrest down there too. Same with the starboard side. If you like to stand up and drive, a lot of people do, flip up your thigh rise bolsters, or if you still want to sit down a little bit, get up on top of it like that, but again, double wide here. This particular boat is equipped with the Helmmaster joystick. If you haven't used a joystick on a boat, you owe it to yourself to get out and try one. People that think that they can't drive a 30, 40, 50-foot boat, if you try it with a joystick, you'll change your mind that you can absolutely drive a big boat. Large head compartment. I'm a pretty tall guy. Get down in here easy. Headroom above my head here. I'm 6'3". I've got plenty of room down inside here. This particular head is this is actually air conditioned down here too, because you can convert this into a little bit of a bed down here. So if you want to go down and cool off for a little while, this boat does have air conditioning on it, and this compartment is air conditioned. Nice big storage on the starboard side. Table in the bow. Huge bow seating area. Again, look how many people that you could fit up in the bow of this boat. Nice table, removable if you don't want it there. You've got the electric anchor windlass here with switches that you can operate the windlass from here, or you can operate the windlass from the helm. This is the Grady-White 307 Freedom. It's a 2019 model. It's at MarineMax in Jacksonville Beach. I'm Grant. Give me a call today.